Morning traders. Today we're going to look at a stock that had a great move last week and how we probably could have tried to get into it. So Twitter, TWTR, on February 9th had earnings. Earnings were good, so we see the volume popped right here. As soon as we see volume pop, it's a good sign to get in. So then let's look at the 5-day chart. So here's when the earnings came out, popped, came back down, and then went straight up for the next couple of days. So the stock went up about 20% in 3 days. So, of course, we're going to look at the options on that. So we look at the 65 call. 65 call went from $1, which after earnings, you probably, let's see, this is a daily chart of the option. So could have got about 2 to 8. So if we calculate that from $2 to $8, which is $200 to $800. So 8 over 2 minus 1 is about actually 300%. Could have got about 300% on this, probably a little less, anywhere from 2 to 300%. And let's see, if we look at the longer term chart, from June, the stock has been going up mostly, up and down. It had a low right here around January 19th and then popped back through the previous high. It's another way you could have caught it. When it breaks through previous highs, then you jump in on it. All right, so good luck today, and hopefully we can catch something else, maybe even Twitter again. Good luck.